Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video I will show Facebook Lite page not opening. When try to open Facebook page, show this everything went wrong. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, then click Facebook Lite. Search Facebook Lite. Update Facebook Lite if available on Play Store. Go to phone setting. Then scroll down. Tap on apps. Click on see all apps. Search Facebook Lite or Lite. Tap on clear cache and clear cache. Tap on clear storage. Thanks for watching.